A gear is a rotating circular machine part having cut teeth which mesh with another tooth part to transmit torque and speed. The torque and speed transferred depends on the number of teeth of input gear and the output gear. And it is called gear-speed ratio. As the value of the ratio increases, the speed decreases and the torque increases. Gears plays significant role in all the production sectors of our life, ranging from the manufacturing sector, automobile industry, and even to the modern-day healthcare equipment. There are several types of gears based on the shape and alignment of the gear structure. Spur gears transmit power through shafts that are parallel. The teeth of the spur gears are parallel to the shaft axis. While the teeth are rolling through mesh, they roll off of contact with one tooth and accelerate to contact with the next tooth. Spur gears tend to be noisier than helical gears because they operate with a single line of contact between teeth. The basic application areas of spur gears are small conveyors, package handling equipment, farm machinery, planetary gear sets, automotive industry, etc. Helical gears have teeth that are oriented at an angle to the shaft, unlike spur gears which are parallel. This causes more than one tooth to be in contact during operation, and helical gears can carry more load than spur gears. The major areas of application are medium to large conveyors, mixers, large pumps, water treatment, and crushers. Bevel gears are most commonly used to transmit power between shafts that intersect at a 90-degree angle. They are used in applications where a right-angle gear drive is required. The major production areas are cement, food, beverage, mining, energy, bulk material handling, etc. Worm gears transmit power through right angles on non-intersecting shafts. Worm gears produce thrust load, and are good for high shock load applications, but offer very low efficiency in comparison to the other gears. Due to this low efficiency, they are often used in lower horsepower applications. They are mainly used in small conveyors, package handling equipment, farm machinery, etc. These are the main types of gears used in modern times. These gears are used in several different combinations and angle of operation to achieve the desired power delivery. Hope you enjoyed our video. Please consider subscribing to our channel so that you can enjoy our future uploads without any hassles.